how to fix your water damage Samsung Galaxy S8. So if you happen to drop your phone in a pool or somewhere in deep water and it got wet and it start not to work anymore, what you can do is to quickly wipe it, shut it down. If you can, shut it down straight away, because having the phone running and while having water inside your phone is not a good idea. And then quickly just wipe off the water on your device. Once the phone is off, make sure you dry all around the phone, so all the holes around here, make sure that you dry everything. Make sure there are no liquid left on your device. Even though the phone is water resistant, it is not waterproof, however, and if you have dropped it in deep water, with the pressure from the water, it can force the water inside your device. So just quickly wipe it, and then at home, if you have a bag of rice, put it in a bag of rice right here. So the bag of rice right here, just put it in somewhere in the center on your bag of rice, right there. So I'm just going to put it down in the center and then close off your bag of rice and leave it in there for a day or two. What the rice does is it will suck out the moisture from your phone. With the condensation from the phone, it will suck out all the water and any moisture that the phone has absorbed. And give that a try and see how you go. Do not try to turn on your phone straight away. I know you want to test out to see if the phone works, but be patient. Put it in there for a period of time, a day or two. Let the rice suck out all the moisture, and after that you can try to turn it on. If after you turn it on and it still has a problem, turn off the phone straight away and try to put this one in the sun while it is off, and the sun can help also dry off your phone. And then after a day or two, try to turn on your phone and see how you go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.